Look at this website. Clean design, smooth animations, fully responsive, and yes, it's 100% built using AI. No coding, no templates, no drag and drop. And the crazy part, I built this entire SaaS website in under minutes. So today I'm going to show you how to build a complete modern website using AI tools. We will design it, turn it into a working site, fix issues live, and deploy it all step by step. So if you want to start making websites for yourself or even clients using AI, this is gonna be very useful. Before jumping into tools, let's quickly define what we are building. I'm creating a modern SaaS landing page for an AI productivity tool. It will have hero section, features section, pricing section, testimonials, contact, simple but powerful. Now let's design this using a Stitch. Instead of designing manually, we will just describe the website. Create a modern SaaS website landing page for an AI productivity tool. Use a clean minimal design with soft gradients and a professional color palette. Include these sections: hero section with headline, subtext and call to action button, feature section with 3 to 4 feature card, pricing section with 3 pricing tiers, testimonial section with user reviews, footer with navigation links. Now I'll generate it. As you can see, Stitch created a full website layout instantly. We have the hero section, feature section, pricing, everything structured properly. If you don't like something, you can regenerate it, but this looks good for now. Now I'll export this design. Now let's turn this design into a real working website. Open Antigravity. I'll create a new project and upload the design files we just exported. Now convert these UI designs into a fully functional responsive website. Now Antigravity is analyzing the design and building the website automatically. It's creating the layout, styling, and adding interactivity. Now the website is ready. Let's open the preview. Right away you can see the hero section looks clean and professional, the call to action is clearly, and the layout feels balanced. These feature cards are properly spaced and responsive, and if I resize the screen, you can see it adapts perfectly to different screen sizes. Now I'm noticing something. This section spacing feels a bit tight. So instead of editing code manually, I'll just tell AI to fix it. And now it looks much better, more clean, more professional, and again, no coding. Now let's put this website live. I'll download the final code. Now I'll just drag and drop the project here. And just like that, we get a live website link. This is now a real website that anyone can access. And this is exactly how people are making money with AI right now. You can build websites for clients, sell landing pages, create your own SaaS ideas, or even start freelancing. And the best part is that this was just a simple demo. You can build way more advanced websites using the same process: dashboards, portfolios, business sites, anything. If you want, I can show how to turn this into a full SaaS product in the next video. So let me know in the comments what you want next. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.